UCC Article 3 Flowchart, the private circuit of financial instruments. What if I told you there's a secret financial highway hidden in plain sight, one that bypasses the entire public money system? Today, we decode the private circuit of value transfer that operates under UCC Article 3. It's not conspiracy, it's commerce. Let's trace the flow. To navigate the private financial ecosystem in the United States, one must understand UCC Article 3 not as a theoretical abstraction, but as a mechanical circuit, a closed-loop system of negotiation, endorsement, monetization, and discharge. At the center of this system lies a flowchart, which, when fully grasped, enables a litigant or creditor to move in and out of contract-based obligations with precision, much like circuit breakers govern electrical flow. Article 3 of the Uniform Commercial Code governs negotiable instruments, specifically promissory notes and bills of exchange. This is the legal domain that quietly governs nearly all banking activity, credit creation, and private debt resolution. In fact, UCC 3-102 clearly states that Article 3 applies to negotiable instruments and not to money. A startling distinction: if what you carry in your wallet are Federal Reserve notes, they are not money under this law, they are negotiable instruments. The UCC Article 3 flowchart reveals a process that starts with a signature on a note, followed by 1. Delivery, UCC 3-201, making the instrument enforceable. 2. Endorsement, UCC 3-204, blank or special. 3. Transfer, UCC 3-203, conveying title. 4. Holder in due course, UCC 3-302, granting rights superior to the original parties. 5. Discharge, UCC 3-601, through payment, cancellation, or tender. If one fails to track the flow, their rights vanish into abstraction. The party who understands and manipulates this sequence can reclaim control over a financial instrument, challenge unauthorized transfers, enforce discharge through tender of payment or return of collateral. This flowchart becomes especially powerful in litigation. For example, when a plaintiff bank sues a borrower for non-payment, the defendant can use this chart to demand proof of presentment and dishonor under UCC 3-501. Assert that the plaintiff is not a holder in due course and therefore lacks standing. Show that the instrument has already been discharged through previous negotiation or sale. The courts may not openly teach this circuit, but it governs every dollar created, every mortgage signed, and every credit card transaction processed. Mastery of this flowchart converts the layperson from debtor to commercial creditor, from target to operator. Footnote: this section introduces the UCC Article 3 flowchart as a visual and legal tool to navigate how negotiable instruments move through the financial system, granting control to those who understand their place in the chain of title.